गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आपको ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए जो मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शन भेजा है उसको आपने ज़रूर देख लिया होगा। और अब आपका डेली मैं इस तरह पीपीटी वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ भेजूंगा, पार्ट वाइज, थोड़ा थोड़ा, और आप उसको देखेंगे। मेरी आवाज़ यानी वॉइस को गौर करेंगे, पीपीटी के साथ उसको मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। और जब ये एक टॉपिक का कुछ पार्ट ख़त्म होगा तो उस पर कुछ असाइनमेंट दिया जाएगा जो आप अपना होमवर्क कॉपी में बना के रखेंगे और स्कूल खुलने पर उसकी चेकिंग होगी। तो आज लेसन है आपका क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन और मैनेजमेंट चैप्टर 1। तो इसको मैं शुरू करता हूँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you know the crop production and management. What is crops? You observe a variety of plants around you. Different types of plants are grown around us, but they are not called crops. If a particular kind of plants are grown in a particular area, particular field, that is called crop. And this is very essential. It is a part of agriculture. You know that food is very essential for us, for all living things, and we get different kind of food through or by growing different type of crops in the field, and the whole purpose and the whole process is grouped under agriculture. So first of all, you know the term agriculture, from where they are coined. You know that in ancient time people leads a nomadic life. During nomadic life they get their food as a raw material. They hunt the animal for their food. But after some times they settled in a particular place and they started to grow plants in a particular place, and in this way the agriculture process will start. Now the agriculture term is coined from a Latin word. Ager means field and culture means cultivation. It is applied, or we can say that it is a branch of biology which involves the practice of cultivating crops as well as rearing animals. So this process not only include to grow plant but rearing of animals, animal husbandry. Most of the animals which are livestock, which are very essential, which gives us very useful things for our survival. So in this chapter we studied about both. So in this picture, first you observe the crops, plants of the same kind grown and cultivated at one place. I have already told you, on large scale that is called crop. If you observe the pictures, you can easily find that the same kind of plants are grown in a particular field. So these are called crops. But if in haphazard way the different type of plants are grown, that is not called crops. So crops which are grown, they also dependent upon the season. So the crops are of different types. If you observe the different type of crops, As for example, cereal crops. Examples are rice, wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, etc. Cereals are generally, these are especially provide us energy. It also form a staple food. A staple food means the main food. Whatever we eat, the main quantity is cereals. Now the second one is pulse crops. Grams, peas, beans, moong, masoor, arhar. So these are the different type of pulses. These pulses are rich in protein. Soybean is also rich in protein. So these are the different example of pulse crops. Vegetable crops means varieties of vegetables are used by us, and in your daily diet you also take different type of vegetables, and they may be green vegetables, they may be onion, potato, cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, etc. Fruit crops: apple, orange, banana. Not only the three, varieties of fruits are there: orange, apple, strawberry. So these fruits are also grown as a crops, and it is called fruit crops. Fiber crops: varieties of things are used by us like cotton, jute, etc. It is grouped under fiber crops. All seed crops: sunflower, mustard, groundnut, almond. These are the different seeds which are generally used to produce oil. Oil is very essential because it is rich in fat and it gives us energy. Now the type of crops. On the basis of their uh, growing season, the crops are mainly divided into two types based on the season. That may be kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crops Kharif crops are grown during rainy season from June to September, and the different examples like paddy, maize, groundnut, cotton, soybean, etc. You must know one thing: for Kharif crops, it needs a lot of heat and moisture. So Kharif crops are grown in rainy season. So Rabi crops, which are grown during winter season from October to March. This is the period, the growing period. Wheat, grams, peas, mustard, linseed. It needs less temperature. So Rabi crops are grown in winter season, and Kharif crops are generally in, grown in rainy season. So if you observe the pictures, different type of crops are shown here. Now agriculture practices. Agriculture practices means for growing different type of crops. The activities undertaken by farmers for cultivation of crops are called agriculture practices. It includes a lot of heading, a lot of processes are there, and the main steps which are used in agriculture practices are: 1. Preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting and storage. So 7 steps are there, 7 processes are there, and it will be discussed later on in second lecture. Now I conclude it. You I give some assignment. You do in your homework notebook. Thank you.